Are you trying to choose between a Bissell TurboClean PowerBrush Pet and a portable Bissell Little Green Max Pet? Let me show you how they work so you can decide which one is best for you. We just moved a desk off this spot of carpet to discover our somewhat incontinent dog had been leaving some surprises underneath. So these are set-in pee stains. Let's see if we can get it cleaned up. First, I'll use my Little Green Max Pet. What I love about this one is it's so easy. Just fill it up with water and cleaner solution, turn it on, and scrub. The little scrubber has amazing suction, and in no time, it's perfectly clean. This is by far my favorite solution for little pet messes. Unfortunately, this mess isn't exactly little. So I bring out the big guns. My Bissell TurboClean PowerBrush Pet. This is slightly more difficult to use from start to finish. It's heavier to lug down to the basement. It has a larger water basin to fill. The cleaning process is a little more athletic, and the suction is a tiny bit weaker than the little machine. But on the positive side, this can clean a big area in way less time than the Little Green, and it does a great job too. You can start seeing the difference in just a few passes, and it gets the carpet looking good as new. So both of these can do the job. It would just take a lot longer with the portable machine. But do keep in mind that when it comes to cleaning the machine, with the portable, you can just dump, rinse, and go. The upright, sturdy water basin is a little harder to clean, and you also have to rinse the front piece and wipe the area around the brush. So it's a 5-minute job, while you can have the portable clean in a minute or two. For the set-in dog pee job, I think I got the best clean by using them in tandem. First, I spot cleaned with the portable and let it soak for a bit, and then I did a big overall clean with the upright. But if you have to choose just one, here's how I would decide. If you have frequent little messes, I would go with a portable, like the Little Green Pet Max. If you have big messes or you're looking to clean whole rooms, you definitely need an upright, like the TurboClean PowerBrush Pet. Either way, you can look forward to way cleaner carpets. I really like both of these, and I hope you find the one that's right for you.